Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to walk you through how to recover Exodus wallet. If you've lost access to your Exodus wallet, there are a few methods to recover it. The first one is by using the recovery phrase. Find your 12-word recovery phrase and you can check your Exodus wallet setup documentation or the email you received during setup. These are where your recovery phrase can be located. Next, download and install Exodus. Don't forget to get the latest version. Next, restore from recovery phrase. When you launch Exodus, click restore from recovery phrase and enter your 12-word phrase. Method 2. Email recovery. Check your email. Look for the email you received during Exodus wallet setup. So click the recovery link in the email to start the recovery process. Complete the recovery process by following the instructions. Next step is Exodus support. You can contact Exodus support, reach out to them via their official website or email. When you do, provide the required information like your wallet details and others. Next, follow the support instruction. Exodus support to guide you through the recovery process. Important notice: keep your recovery phrase safe. Store your 12-word recovery phrase in a secure location to prevent unauthorized access. Protect your Exodus wallet with a strong unique password. You can also authenticate or activate two-factor authentication to add an extra layer of security. Thanks for watching.